homies. So, welcome back to another video, and today I'm gonna be showing you fucking noobs how to properly detail a car, truck, or an SUV. I'm gonna be quite honest with you. It's very simple. You have 3 steps that you always follow in this order: interior, exterior, wheels and tires. That's it. Now, you always start with the interior, get that vacuumed, detailed, then you move to the exterior, get that washed, then waxed, then dried, then sometimes waxed again. Dude is fucking burning tons of leaves over there, but Alright my dude, so I'm gonna take you through step 1 here. We're gonna do the interior of this truck. I'm gonna show you what that takes, how long it takes, and then we're gonna move on to step 2. Alright, to start step 1, the steps you're going to need to do the interior are leather care, glass cleaner, and you can use Armor All, or I'm going to use this McGuire's Super Shine. Just touches up the interior. I want to remove all the floor mats in the truck here so we can wash them with a hose. There's 1, there's 2. Now this back one is a big one, but I usually just grab it by one of the corners, kind of roll it up on itself, and it kind of comes out in one piece, sort of. These cup holder things all the way around, and a little doohickeys inside here. Wash this stuff out. Up, I'm gonna use this leather care, fold the seats down. I already did the front, finishing up the back here. Just wanna make sure you get all the crevices. I'm flipping up these buckles, you know, just they're down like that. You flip them up, get in here. Not a crumb to be found. Get the good old dirt devil going. Dyson died on me, so I'm gonna finish up the front here. All right, so we finished up the inside. Alright, so we got the truck all washed off, completely washed and soaped down. Now we're gonna grab our chamois. A little bit dirty, but that doesn't matter. So we're gonna be reviewing this Fortify Quick Coat. This is their Shine Armor, waterless. Wash, shine, and protect. So the truck is pretty dry here. Just a couple drips from like the door handles and the mirrors, but we're gonna start using this thing. Wax it up. Okay, so we got the inside done, detailed, windows done, and the exterior washed and waxed. So now all we gotta do is these rims, and as you can see, I can wipe some lines in there. My fingers turn black. There we have it. Freshly cleaned wheel. We're gonna be using this it's in this bottle, but it's actually from Muzzy Ford, where my grandfather used to work, and it's a concoction just for rims, so that's what we're going to be using to do the whole truck, because it works on the rims and the tire rubbers, so it's kind of like a 2-in-1 kind of deal. So real quick, I'm gonna backtrack and I'm just gonna take the special brush that's for rim cleaning. I'm gonna spray it down a little bit with some of the rim cleaner. Okay guys, so that basically wraps up my detailed instructions and kind of vlog on how to detail your car, truck, or SUV. And I used the invisible glass for glass cleaner, the Meguiar's Supreme Shine for the interior detail, and then I used this Fortify Shine Armor to do the nice waxing that you see on the outside.